Today I'll ask from all chapters also. As you know, questions will become coming from homework and only some chapters are omitted, not from those chapters question will not ask in final exam. Some chapters are only for project work. All information, you people have all the information. So आज मैं मिक्स करके कुछ क्वेश्चंस पूछ रही हूँ. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन मेरा है, what is meant by sustainable development and why sustainable development is the need of the hour?
Ma'am, can I
Sustainable
speak my
development means development that takes place.
उसे भी मौका मिलेगा. क्वेश्चन 2-3 बच्चे आप लोग बोल सकते हो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. चलो कृतिर बोलो.
Sustainable development means development that takes place without damaging the natural environment. It meets the needs of the present without compromising the needs of the future generation. Sustainable development is the needs of the hour because nowadays, due to increase in population, resources are used in abundance on the name of urbanization and industrialization. As we know, most of the resources are limited, so it will exhaust very fast. Very soon.
Okay. Any other?
Sustainable development means development that takes place without damaging the environment. It meets the needs of the present generation without compromising the needs of the future generation. Sustainable development is the needs of the hour because nowadays, due to increasing population, resources are used in abundance on the name of urbanization and modernization. As we know, most of the resources are limited, so it will exhaust very soon.
Very good.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Next question is, why is soil considered an important resource? First part is, why is soil considered as most important resource? ये 1 marks का है और 2 marks 3 marks के हैं. Give any 3 reason. ये 5 marks का है. 1-2 marks. Why is soil considered an important resource? इसमें 2 points आप बोलोगे और ये 3 points बोलोगे. Give any 3 reasons. बताइए. कोई भी बोल सकते हैं, हैंड रेस करके बोलना शुरू करेगा. सिर्फ ये बात ध्यान रखिएगा, एक जब बोले दूसरा आप रुके चुप हो जाना. सैनवी बोलो. बोलो सैनवी.
Soil is considered as an important resource because all the activities related to food, shelter, clothing take place on the land. No, ma'am, sorry.
हाँ बोलो ना, बोलो, कोई बात नहीं.
मैम ये तो लैंड का हो गया ना.
तो बोलो.
मैम
ठीक, लेकिन बोल रही थी शुरुआत तो थोड़ा ठीक ही था. बोलो. Soil, why soil is considered important resource? Soil में क्या होता है?
Can I speak, Ritir?
the three reasons are agricultural production is mainly dependent upon the fertility of the soil. Animals also depend upon the soil as the soil provides nutrition to the plants.
Yes.
And soil is also used for making bricks and pottery.
Okay. अब 3 reasons उसी में बोली थी. अच्छा.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है, कोई और 2 पार्ट में अलग अलग करके बताओ. Why soil is considered an important resource? मुझे एक पॉइंट सुनने की बड़ी इच्छा है जो आपने नहीं कही.
Ma'am, animals also depend upon the soil to satisfy their basic needs.
Okay.
Ma'am, and soil gives nutrients to the plants.
Okay.
Agriculture production is mainly dependent upon the fertility of the soil.
अच्छा.
It
It
helps
is
in making
also for making
रीजन आप बता रहे हो कि क्यों सॉइल इम्पोर्टेंट है. ठीक है, वो ठीक है, एक पॉइंट छोड़ रहे हो सब लोग, एक पॉइंट जरा सा ढूंढो तो, व्हाई सॉइल इज इम्पोर्टेंट, जल्दी से। सृजा एंटर कर चुकी है, व्हाई सॉइल इज कंसिडर्ड एज मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट रिसोर्स। दो बच्चों ने बहुत अच्छा बोला,
Because all
एक पॉइंट जो मेरे कान सुनने को तरस,
ma'am,
हाँ
because land is used for many purpose, for example making roads, constructing houses, for agriculture,
ये आप लैंड पे पूरे चले,
all the things
लैंड पे पूरे चले गए, सॉइल सॉइल इन लोगों ने पूरा सही बोला है, बट एक पॉइंट मैं ढूंढ रही हूँ, व्हाई सॉइल इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट।
um, it helps in
A
breaking
large part of the
pottery.
earth,
Bricks
a
and
large
pottery.
part of the earth's land surface is covered with soil.
Because a thin layer of soil takes thousands of years to form. Because a thin layer, फूकने से उड़ जाएगा, एक धूल की एक परत जैसी जो लेयर है सॉइल, तो इट इज वेरी प्रेसियस, है ना। और बाकी सारे पॉइंट्स आपके सही हैं, बस ये लाइन सुनना चाहती थी। आप अगर जितना बोले उतना भी लिखिएगा तो मैं पूरे नंबर आपको देती, ठीक है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। चलिए आप फजल मत हो जाना, मैं बोलना चाह रही थी कि ये बहुत प्रेसियस भी है, ये इसलिए इम्पोर्टेंट माना गया है क्योंकि थोड़ी सी परत जमने में थाउजेंड्स ऑफ इयर्स लग जाते हैं, सो इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट बिकॉज इट प्रोवाइड बेस फॉर एग्रीकल्चरल एक्टिविटी, और जो भी तुम लोगों ने बोला, इट इज द शेल्टर ऑफ सो मेनी एनिमल्स, जैसे कि रैबिट हैं, रैट्स हैं, अर्थवर्म हैं, और भी बहुत कुछ है, ठीक है। चलो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, हाउ आर ह्यूमन बीइंग रिस्पांसिबल फॉर द डिप्लीशन ऑफ वेजिटेशन एंड वाइल्ड लाइफ। कोई भी बोल सकती है।
Human beings are responsible for the depletion of vegetation and wildlife because of their greed.
The home. In the
But
name of
human beings are
urbanization, they are clearing the forest. People
Forest.
In case of wildlife, they are hunting more and more animals, and so some of the animals are extinct.
ओके, आदित्य हंसराज अब तुम बोलो। आदित्य, आदित्य नाउ यू कैन से।
human beings are responsible for the depletion of vegetation and wildlife because of their greed. In the name of urbanization, they are clearing the forest. People didn't think about their future resources. In case of wildlife, people are hunting more and more animals and so some of the animals are extinct. They were
Okay, okay. Next question is agricultural, one word. Agriculture practiced on a very large scale for crop specialization. Answer in one.
Commercial agriculture.
Very good, very good.
Commercial
agriculture, very good. Acha, next question. People who migrate along with their animals from one place to another in search of fodder and for their animals.
Nomadic
Nomads.
herding.
Nomads.
Very good, very good. Next question. Two coarse grain.
Jowar and bajra.
Very good, very good. Next,
Bajra.
which type of soil is needed to grow rice?
Alluvial soil.
Very good.
Alluvial and
Alluvial and
Millets need which type of soil?
Poor quality soil.
soils of poor quality.
Poor quality.
Very good. Coffee plant need dash and dash climate.
Hot and humid
Hot
climate.
and
Hot
humid
and humid climate.
Hot and
humid.
now tell me the name of two natural fiber.
Jute Jute and cotton.
Very
Cotton, jute.
Jute and
Jute and
two artificial fiber. Two artificial fiber.
nylon and rayon.
Terracotta, nylon.
Nylon and rayon.
nylon.
Rayon, nylon, terracotta.
Okay. Define mixed farming. Define mixed farming. 1 marks. बोलिए.
When animals are
When
reared along
animals
with
are
crops
reared along with the cultivation
When
of
animals
land.
are reared along with the cultivation of land, it is known
Animals
as
are
mixed.
reared along with the cultivation of land. It is known as mixed farming.
Excuse me students, reared बोलना REARED मतलब पाले जाते हैं. प्रोनाउंसिएशन कुछ बच्चों को गलत आ रहा था. ठीक है, वेरी गुड. अच्छा, नेक्स्ट पूछती हूँ. चलो बोलो. मोस्ट कॉमन ट्रीज ऑफ ट्रॉपिकल deciduous forest.
sal, teak, bamboo, shisha.
Bamboo and shisha.
Silent teak.
अच्छा, the area under forest is depleting due to
Human interference.
Human activity.
yes. अच्छा, conical shaped trees are common in these forests.
Coniferous
Coniferous forest.
Coniferous forest.
Okay. Next, which term is used for the plant community which grow without human interference?
Natural vegetation.
Natural vegetation. Natural vegetation.
vegetation.
The forest which do not shed their leaves at any time.
Tropical hardwood
coniferous
forest.
forest.
evergreen forest.
Coniferous forest.
ट्रॉपिकल एवरग्रीन फॉरेस्ट. 1 मिनट बच्चे. सर, ये शैल बी मीटिंग में है क्या? सृजा देखो तो शैल बी है. देखो चला गया. कोई बच्चा ना शैल बी 8A एडमिशन नंबर लिखकर एंटर करने की कोशिश कर रहा था. शैल बी को मैं पहले ही देखी एडमिट हुई है. चलो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. It is formed by decomposed part of plant and animal.
Humus.
Very good.
Humus.
Maintenance of lakes and pond is essential for
Maintaining the aquifer of underground water. Water table.
water table. अच्छा. One leads to desertification. जल्दी बताइए.
Wind erosion.
Wind erosion.
Erosion.
Erosion होगा.
Soil erosion.
ऐसा गलती नहीं. Wind erosion कहाँ होते हैं? क्या कौन करता है? Desertification करता है.
Desert.
हाँ, ठीक है. अब है to maintain ecological balance, how many % of the land should be under forest?
33%.
3%.
33%.
पुराने चैप्टर्स बड़े स्ट्रॉन्ग है आपके. बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. मैं थोड़ा सा ये करके फिर हार्ड मैंने लॉन्ग में पूछती हूँ. 1 सेकेंड. अब बताइए, द ओरिजिनल रॉक फ्रॉम विच द सॉइल इज फॉर्म्ड.
Parent rock.
अच्छा.
Parent rock.
The process in which the top layer of soil is removed by the natural and human activities.
Soil erosion.
अच्छा. Next question. Differentiate actual and potential resource with example. Suppose कि ये 5 marks का है. 4 marks differentiation पे, actual और potential, और 1 marks उसके example पे. चलिए बताइए.
Resources which are not fully tapped are called potential resources. For example, sediment. For example, petroleum can be found in the old sedimentary rocks of Himalayas, and electricity can be generated by the force of falling water. Arctic seabed may hold as much as 25% of the world's undiscovered oil and natural gas. Actual resources which are fully surveyed and their quantity and quality have been ascertained. For example, for example, Arctic seabed has 25% of the 25.9% of the total oil reserves, world soil reserves.
अच्छा आप जो भी बोलना, अनन्या सिंह क्यों नहीं बोल रही हो? अनन्या, अंशिका, आप लोग बोलिए, ठीक है? अच्छा, जो भी बोलो, अब ना साइड में करीब 3 पॉइंट बोलो। आपको 4 मार्क्स दिए गए हैं दोनों के डिफरेंशिएशन, 1 मार्क्स दिए गए हैं एग्जाम्पल पे। दोनों साइड के एग्जाम्पल हाफ मार्क्स के हैं। इधर आप 4 पॉइंट बताइए, एक्चुअल के भी और पोटेंशियल के भी। चलिए अनन्या, सुन रही हो? अनन्या सिंह,
अवेलेबल रिसोर्स
तैयार है तो बोलो।
अवेलेबल रिसोर्स इन ए कंट्री which are not fully tapped are known as potential resources. For example, petroleum can be found in old sedimentary rock of Himalaya, or hydroelectricity can be generated by the force of falling water. The potential resources need dilated survey for the whole country. The actual country are those which have been thoroughly surveyed and their quantities have been ascertained. The example for example, Saudi Arabia has 25.9% of the world oil reservoirs.
ओके, नेक्स्ट बच्चा कौन बोलेगा? मुझे 4 पॉइंट चाहिए दोनों साइड। नेक्स्ट बोलो, कृतिर बोलो।
Available resources in a country which are not fully tapped are known as potential resources.
Yes.
The potential resources need a way of the estimating the quantity and quality.
Yes.
The Arctic seabed may hold as much as 25% of the world's undiscovered oil and natural gas reserves. For example, petroleum can be found in old sedimentary rocks of Himalayas, or hydroelectricity can be generated by the force of falling water. Then actual resources. The resources which have been thoroughly surveyed and their quantities have been ascertained are called actual resource. The exploration, development, and utilization of an actual resource depend upon the technology available. For example, Saudi Arabia has 25.9% of the world oil reserves.
देखो, पोटेंशियल में बोलते कि which are not used,
fully tapped,
not fully tapped, not surveyed, not fully tapped. Quality and quantity is not ascertained. तो अलग अलग कर दो ना, मैं जब 4 पॉइंट मांग रही हूं तो अलग अलग कर दो ना, है ना? तब 5वें में आप लोग एग्जाम्पल लिखो, यहाँ उल्टा लिखो, इट इज सर्वे, इट इज टैप, क्वालिटी एंड क्वांटिटी इज असर्टेन्ड, इस तरह से करो ना, ठीक है? तोड़ दो, टुकड़े में कर दो, मैं जो मांग रही हूँ सो तुम दो। ओके, अच्छा, वैसे सबका सही है, कॉमा भी दोगे तो मैं तो उसे कंसिडर करके मार्क्स दे ही देती हूँ, बट आपको मैं बता दे रही हूँ। अच्छा, आप बताइए, रिसोर्सेस विच आर क्रिएटेड बाय ह्यूमन बीइंग इज कॉल्ड
Man-made resources.
Man-made resources.
ओके, अच्छा, अब बोलिए, एक सेकेंड, अब बोलो कि द बुक अनहैप्पी इंडियन वाज रिटन बाय
Lala Lajpat Rai.
Lala.
Modern period of Indian history began in
18th century.
okay,
18th century.
okay. The call you give me blood, I give you freedom, written by Given by
Chandra
Subhash
Bose.
Chandra
Subhash
Bose.
Chandra Bose.
Netaji Subhash
Subhash
Chandra
Chandra Bose.
which language Keshri published?
Marathi.
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 Okay. Which one of the following was a major factor in strengthening the national movement in India? Choices are establishment of Indian National Congress, discontentment among the masses against the colonial power, spread of education and awareness, partition of India in 1947.
Discontentment among the masses against the colonial power.
Indian national partition नहीं होगा, spread of education, establishment of Indian National Congress, discontentment among the masses against. ठीक है, चलो. Next, Indian National Congress was established in
1885.
1885.
very good. Next, in which year Battle of Plassey was fought?
1757.
1757.
In which year Battle of Buxar was fought?
1764.
1764.
1764.
Yes, very good. Next, which ruler was killed in the Fourth Anglo-Mysore War?
Tipu Sultan.
Tipu Sultan.
Tipu Sultan.
William located?
Ma'am, what? Ma'am, please repeat the question.
Where is Fort William located? Fort William.
Calcutta.
Bengal.
Calcutta.
Calcutta.
Fort.
Madras. Madras.
Yes. Name the capital of Karnataka.
Arcot.
Yes. Who was called back to France in disgrace?
Duplex.
Duplex.
Who was he?
He was the Governor General
Of
of French East India Company.
French Governor General. Yes. Yes. Acha. In which battle Siraj-ud-Dawla was defeated by Robert Clive?
Battle of
Battle of Plassey.
Battle of Plassey.
Very good. Name three Farsi town.
Madras, Bengal, Bombay.
Very good.
Madras, Bengal.
Very good. Very good. Define Diwani. Define.
Ma'am, it was the right to collect
Right
revenue
to collect
from
land
Bengal,
Diwani means the
Bihar,
right to
Odisha.
collect land revenue.
Yes. From
Bengal, Bihar and Odisha.
Bengal, Bihar and Odisha.
Very good. Very good. Acha. Next. Second Anglo-Mysore War ended with the Treaty of
Bangalore.
Srirangapatnam.
In which year?
1784.
1784.
Acha. Now name the Nawab of Karnataka.
Anwaruddin.
Yes.
Anwaruddin.
Yes, Anwaruddin was the Nawab of Karnataka, who was known as Great Annexionist. Great Annexionist.
Lord Dalhousie.
Very
Lord
Dalhousie.
Dalhousie.
Lord Dalhousie.
Lord Dalhousie.
Who was known as Tiger of Mysore?
Tipu
Tipu
Sultan.
Sultan.
Tipu Sultan.
Tipu Sultan.
Very good. Name the person who name the person who bribed Siraj-ud-Daulah.
Mir Jafar.
हाँ, ब्राइट धोखा,
Mir Jafar.
ब्राइट धोखा दिया, डिसीव होगा, ब्राइट घूस देना होता है। हाँ चलो, वैसे समझ गए, गलत बोली तो भी समझ गए, ठीक है। अच्छा, मीर कासिम को क्या बोलोगे? मीर कासिम
Ma'am.
Nawab
the-
of Bengal.
Nawab of
Nawab.
Bengal.
Nawab of Bengal.
Mir Zafar.
कहते, मीर जफर के बाद उनको बेंगॉल का नवाब बनाया गया था। अच्छा, अब बोलो कि what were the consequences of the battle of Buxar? consequences means होता है result। बैटल ऑफ बक्सर की रिजल्ट बताइए। सपोज कि ये 3 मार्क्स में आपसे पूछा गया है।
Ma'am, this battle helped the British to establish their government in this part of Indian subcontinent. It helped the British to to expand their territory and their power. It gave the right of Diwani and dual government to the Britishers. It also increased the economy of the East India Company.
ओके,
Ma'am.
हाँ, एनी अदर आंसर? बोलो, कोई बोलोगे तो बोलो,
British.
बोलो।
Mir Qasim, the Nawab of Bengal, refused to be a puppet in the hands of the British. So it resulted in a conflict and led to the Battle of Buxar, now in Bihar. The battle was fought between the British East India Company, led by Major Hector Munro, and the armies of Mir Qasim. The battle was beneficial for the expansion of power of East India Company.
Okay.
It gained the rule and Diwani, the right to collect revenue from Bengal, Bihar, and Orissa.
Okay, very good. और कोई कोशिश करोगे?
The East India Company's victory in this battle established British colonial rule in the Punjab Presidency. This battle was beneficial for the expansion of the power of the East India Company. They gained the rule and the Diwani, the right to collect land revenue from Bengal.
Okay, very good. Next question is, explain the policy of divide and rule adopted by the British. What was its impact on the Indian princes?
The British followed a policy of divide and rule to consolidate their position in India. This created a gulf between different communities of India, and so that the Indian people can be administered more effectively. The Indian princes joined hands with the British to settle their internal rivalries. The East India Company was established as a trading company, but due to the political instability, it took over the entire control of India.
Okay. Any other? कृति बोलो, इसके बाद कोई और बच्चे भी
Divide and rule policy.
बोलो, आनंद बोलो, आनंद बोलो।
The British
Divide and rule policy was a strategy used by British to weaken the Indian princes by creating a gulf between the different communities in India. When the different groups of people, common people of a nation, fought each other and weakened themselves, they could easily be taken over by the British. As a result, the Indian princes become a mere puppets in the hands of the British.
Very good. बोलो कृति।
The British introduced the policy of divide and rule Divide and rule policy was a strategy used by British to weaken the Indian princess by creating a gulf between the different communities in India. When the different crops of fought each other and weakened themselves, they could easily be taken over by the British. As a result, the Indian princess become more puppets in the hands of English.
वेरी गुड सृष्टि। कोई और बोलेगा? नहीं तो फिर
Ma'am, the British Ma'am, the British introduced the policy of divide and rule. Divide and rule policy was a strategy used by British to weaken the Indian succession. When the princes of different states fought each other, they weakened themselves, and they could be easily taken by the Britishers. As a result, the Indian princess become the mere puppet in the hands of English.
ओके, अच्छा, और कोई? चेंज करूं क्वेश्चन? एक और क्वेश्चन चेंज कर देती हूँ। व्हाट वाज द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ बैटल ऑफ पलासी? इम्पोर्टेंस।
Ma'am, it
The
created
The Battle of Plassey was a major event that
that
took place in 1757. It was an important British East India Company's victory over the Nawabs of Bengal. It led the British to take that part of India. Mir Qasim gave large sums of money and 24 parganas to the British, which made them economically strong.
Okay, good.
The Battle of Plassey was a major event that took place in 1769. It was an important British East India Company victory over the Nawab of Bengal. It led the British East India Company to take control of this part of Indian subcontinents. Mir Qasim gifted large sum of money and 24 parganas of Bengal to the British, which make them economically strong.
ओके, बोलो कृतिर, बोलो भी, बोलो।
Yes, ma'am. The Battle of Plassey took place in 1757. It was fought between the forces of East India Company under Robert Clive and the Siraj ud-Daulah at battle at Plassey between Calcutta and Murshidabad.
मुर्शिदाबाद।
Oh, sorry, ma'am. He gifted large sum of money and 24 parganas to the Bengal to the British. But Mir Jafar could not fulfill the constant demand of the British, so they installed his son-in-law Mir Qasim as the Nawab of Bengal. He granted equal trade facilities to the British and the Indian merchants.
गुड। नेक्स्ट डे हम लोग जुडिशियरी चैप्टर आपका होमवर्क सुन रहे हैं? जुडिशियरी।
मैम,
हाँ बोलो।
मैम इस बार प्री बोर्ड्स का पोर्शन चैप्टर 9 और 10 आ रहा है।
जो आपका एक और प्री बोर्ड होगा, समझ में आ रहा है?